Dear kids, welcome to this video. Today we are discussing in this video subtraction question. Definition of subtraction. Subtraction is the mathematical operation that subtracts one number from another to get the difference. It is represented by the minus sign. Question number 1. We have 6 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We write 6 number to 4 apple left. We write minus 4 below 6 and 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. We have 2 apples remaining. Question number 2. We have 6 mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We write 6 number. If 3 mangoes are left, we write minus 3 below 6. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3 and also 3 mangoes remaining. Question number 3. We have 8 oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We write 8 and 6 oranges left, so we write minus 6 below 8. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2 and remaining oranges we have only 2. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2 is the correct answer. Thank you for watching this video.